welcome back to the channel. This is Richard Fixer. Now I know it's been a while since I've made a post on YouTube. I've been just very busy, with relocating, but now I'm fully settled and I'm gonna be doing videos, posting videos on a regular basis. Now today we're going to be looking at an error code from a Samsung French door refrigerator that has a 61E error code. The 61E error code is not a very popular error, but at times you'll encounter this error code. Now there's it can be confusing based on the service manual. According to the service manual, it says that the 61E error code is an ice duct heater issue. All right. So I'm gonna show you exactly how to go about testing for the ice duct heater. All right, stay tuned. So the ice duct heater is the heater that's a part of the drain tube of the ice maker. So if you get an 61E error code, this is where your issue is. So this is the drain tube, and the drain tube has a heater on it. What that prevents ice from getting clogged in this tube. So they put the heater, wound the heater around the tube, all right, so that this pipe doesn't get frozen. So this pipe comes from the ice maker, and when the ice maker goes into defrost, the water drains through this tube and go to the back of the refrigerator to get evaporated. All right, now all you need to do is just use your multimeter, put it in these two connectors, and you're able to check it. So I'm gonna just do that. You can look at the specification. You should actually have 62.6 ohms, and the tolerance range for that is 7%. So it can be 7% above 62.6 or 7% below. Any other values out of that range is going to be defective. All right, so we're going to just get the multimeter to test it to see exactly what it is. So now I have my digital multimeter, and I'm going to put it on ohms. Mine is the auto range, so I just need to just select ohms, which is the horseshoe symbol. And I'm just going to check the connector here. So just put one lead in one lead in the other. And we see that we have infinite resistance. So this heater is open, so it has a burn somewhere or the other. So whenever you see 61E error code, it's not talking about any other heater, not the mullion at the door, but it is just this heater that's a part of the ice maker assembly for the Samsung refrigerator. Okay. All right, guys, so that was a really quick video just showing you how to check for the 61E error code. All right, so stay tuned. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my other videos. All right, take care. Bye.